Hello health enthusiasts, our warriors in the path to healing. In today's video, we extend a heartfelt embrace to those bravely seeking natural remedies in the battle against cancer. If you or a cherished one is navigating this challenging journey, know that you are not alone. We are here to illuminate your path with insights and hope, unveiling the top 5 natural remedies that Mother Nature has generously bestowed upon us. Are you ready to discover the holistic strength of nature in the fight against cancer? Let's dive into this transformative journey. Our first contender is a golden gem, turmeric. This golden spice is renowned for its vibrant hue. Turmeric houses a powerful compound called curcumin, celebrated for its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. Research has indicated that curcumin may play a role in impeding the growth of cancer cells while bolstering the body's innate defense mechanisms. Embrace turmeric as a culinary ally by incorporating it into your daily meals, adding depth and flavor to dishes. From aromatic curries to soothing teas, infuse your culinary creations with the potent essence of turmeric. For those seeking an intensified impact, consider integrating a curcumin supplement into your routine for an extra health boost. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast experimenting with flavors or someone prioritizing convenience, turmeric in its various forms stands ready to fortify your well-being on your journey toward resilience and vitality. Now let's unfold the pages of green tea's story. A beverage not just for comfort, but a shield packed with antioxidants. Catechins, its powerful compounds, may play a role in preventing cell damage and curbing cancer growth. Discover the soothing power of green tea as we navigate its potential benefits together. Packed with antioxidants, green tea has long been hailed for its cancer-fighting abilities. The catechins found in green tea have been proven to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Enjoy a cup of green tea daily for a refreshing and beneficial sip. Beyond its soothing warmth, green tea stands as a formidable shield armed with a battalion of antioxidants ready to defend your well-being. Catechins, the unsung heroes within this herbal elixir, emerge as powerful warriors in the battle against cell damage and cancer growth. Studies have illuminated the potential of green tea catechins in inhibiting the progression of cancer cells, offering not only comfort in your cup, but also a proactive approach to your health. By incorporating this invigorating beverage into your daily routine, you're not just embracing a delightful drink, you're embracing a natural ally against the risk of certain cancers. So let's click our teacups to the comforting ritual of green tea, a beverage that goes beyond pleasure, adding layers of protection to your journey toward holistic well-being. Elevate your daily routine with a cup of green tea with not just a sip, but a step toward the healthier you. In the heart of our journey, meet mytake mushrooms, the guardians of immunity. These fungi may seem ordinary, but they possess extraordinary cancer-fighting abilities. Mytake mushrooms have been shown to enhance the immune system and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Incorporate mushrooms into your diet to harness their power. Bursting with beta-glucans, these mushrooms are believed to wield anti-cancer potential. Whether infused in your meals or embraced through supplements, mytake mushrooms invite you to strengthen your body's defenses naturally. Whether you choose to infuse their earthly flavor into your favorite dishes or opt for the convenience of supplements, mytake mushrooms extend an invitation to fortify your immune system naturally. Embrace the extraordinary benefits of these fungi, a simple yet powerful step toward nurturing your body's resilience and well-being. Transitioning to the soothing realm, let's explore lavender. While it helps not directly, lavender offers a tranquil embrace through aromatherapy. Recognizing the pivotal role stress plays in this challenging odyssey, lavender steps forward as a gentle companion, offering a tranquil embrace. Delve into the secrets of seamlessly integrating lavender into your daily routine, uncovering its potential to alleviate stress and foster a profound sense of calm. From the subtle diffusion of its soothing aroma to the luxurious relaxation of lavender-infused baths, explore the myriad ways this delicate herb can become a cornerstone in your stress relief toolkit. In the battle against cancer, where mental well-being is as integral as physical health, let lavender be your steadfast ally in cultivating a peaceful and supportive environment. Embrace the serenity it brings, allowing it to weave tranquility into the fabric of your daily life, creating moments of respite and rejuvenation amid life's challenges. Let's go ahead to our final ally in this healing symphony. Dive deeper into the vibrant world of berries, where their tiny-sized bellies is a powerhouse of cancer-fighting potential. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries stand out as champions, boasting an impressive array of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals dedicated to the battle against cancer. Within these delightful fruits, a treasure trove of cancer-fighting compounds awaits. The robust antioxidants present in berries act as vigilant defenders, neutralizing harmful free radicals that can contribute to cancer development. By incorporating these flavorful gems into your daily diet, you're not only treating your taste buds, but also fortifying your body with a delicious and nutritious defense mechanism against cancer. Whether enjoyed on your own, added to yogurt, or blended into a refreshing smoothie, these berries offer a delightful and accessible way to enhance your overall health and contribute to your body's resilience against the challenges of cancer. Indulge in the goodness of berries, turning every bite into a proactive step towards well-being. There you have it, health enthusiasts! The journey through the top 5 natural remedies in the battle against cancer has been a testament to the incredible power of nature in supporting our fight against this formidable foe. From the golden embrace of turmeric to the antioxidant-rich symphony of berries, each remedy carries the promise of bolstering our resilience. Remember, while these natural allies can play a crucial role, they should complement rather than replace conventional medical treatments. Always consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating new regimens into your routine. Your well-being is our priority. As we wrap up this enlightening exploration, our collective hope is that these insights inspire strength, resilience, and a renewed sense of empowerment on your healing journey. If you found this information valuable, consider subscribing to our channel for more empowering content on health and wellness. Together, we stand united in the pursuit of a healthier and brighter future. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey through the top 5 natural remedies in the battle against cancer. Your commitment to holistic well-being is commendable, and we hope you found valuable insights in this video. If you resonate with our content and want more empowering information, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you ensure you stay updated on our latest releases, providing you with ongoing support on your wellness journey. Share this video with friends, family, or anyone you think might benefit from these natural remedies. Knowledge is power, and together, we can create a healthier and more informed community. If you have personal experience or insights to share, We'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. Your engagement fuels our community and creates a space for collective learning. Thank you once again for being a part of our community. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth, and we look forward to accompanying you on your journey to wellness.